back, guys. I'll get you back to that action soon, but we're somewhere very special. Check this out. So we brought you to Middle Percy Island, out off STANAGE Bay. We're going to be fishing this area for the next 3 days, so stick around, guys. I hope you enjoy this one. We put a lot of effort into getting here, and yeah, pretty special. Thanks, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want any berserker meathead jigs like we've been using all week, use our discount code OBM. It helps us, it saves you some cash. Thanks, guys.
Dino's going to regret this if he
I rang him on the way up. Yeah, and I kept saying
Dino missed out, yeah?
Dino was
He's going to drive up now.
devastated.
He'll be here by.
You'll be here until.
The problem.
I was looking at that earlier in the week.
Yeah,
And I was
it's a
like,
good
man, the
place.
ground around there looks good.
I'm always smiling.
He's always
Okay,
smiling.
right.
Full eye contact.
Can you try it?
That's every time I get a camera in front of me,
We got in over high, offloaded the leg, then drove the boat straight back out again, and then got the sup and the inflatable in.
Okay, yeah.
What time you guys launching tomorrow?
We just went fishing and stuff.
8:30. That's the last one, huh? Someone's gonna catch the fucking Northwesters, mate. Yeah, he did. They're all little footballs. On the mono. He's a bigger version. You too. You're still starfish. Nice. Red. 2 reds. Okay, going for the release. See you later. Red. On the mono. That's a good fish, bro. The fish whisper. Big sweet. Big grassy. Big grassy. Not grassy.
What do you call it, Ed?
What is it? Red? Oh no. Baby red.
Just under.
Good stuff.
What is that, mate? I don't know, man. It's just
Come on, talk us through it. Come on, punch through the pain barrier.
It all started this morning. I had a real bad headache. I might be a trout, mate. Still got fight in it.
Big trout.
Nah,
No, grassy.
sideways grassy.
Oh, disappointment.
Oh, damn it. Grey.
Shark, you reckon?
I think so, yeah. I think I had a small fish and he grabbed it.
Yeah.
It's a fucking good red.
Yeah, I don't think it's a shark.
Tell it what I'm saying. Oh, what the hell is that? Lovely big
gold
gold
spot.
spot.
Good stuff. What do you call the weight at?
Yeah, pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
Nice
You
fish.
reckon 15?
Easy, I reckon. Yeah.
It's fairly weighty.
Yeah. He's solid. Big round barrel.
And we've gassed him, so he should go, mate.
Yeah. Good luck, fella.
So yeah, let's do it.
So you're having to deal with it.
Come on, eh? No. Up off the bottom. Good size.
That was fucking the grassy spot.
So we're going to make our way in between south and middle. And there's a wreck out there, we're going to drop on it. Big dugong.
Turtle.
He's sweet, look. Nice fish. Awesome.
Just in the middle, just having a bit of a look at the wreck here, but we've just been catching grassies and nothing else, so we'll head around your way soon.
Come on. Kick.
There you go, mate.
Oh, beautiful. Solar panel on them. What do you reckon it is?
It's a tuna. So, the mothership goes through, drops over tuna balls in the water. Then it's a sounder, solar panel to a battery. So it sounds, then they can track the school of tuna. They come through the mothership, take hold. That's got the battery and everything in there.
Trust the math, man.
What did I tell ya?
Check it out. It's cold. Have you got that? These guys are waiting for me. I'm just going to ditch our stuff and go back and fish the high tide.
bite the line. Hi.
Hey, are you?
That bite the line.
Yeah, progressive sort of speed. And
Yeah.
oh, that's good.
Have fun. Good fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope you have some
That's
dinner
definitely
tonight.
Enjoy it.
Thank
Okay,
you.
see you later.
See ya.
Are we back for sundowners probably?
Yeah, we'll probably be back here around then for a drink or two.
Okay. Sounds good. We'll see you then.
Thanks.
See my my hammock?
No.
Come and have a look at my hammock.
Did you bring your sticker to put up, mate?
Oh, it's in the boat.
Give me a hammock, mate.
Comfy.
It's a bit small.
I'll get in there. One of the Asian guys.
Oh, you can fit a couple of them in here with you.
The fire hat. Where's this from? Sail crew, eh?
Here we go upstairs. Not much headroom. What a spot. Percy Hamilton, mate.
Throw the swag out here, mate. Throw the swag out here, there won't be as many mozzies. Yeah, no, it's toilet that way. Toilet that way. Aeroplane prop round there, right?
What's that?
Oh, look at the shit up there.
Turtle skull.
Is it a bit pokey?
Hey, predator.
Just there. Well, this is a little flags place. Oh, look at his clothing rack.
Fresh water. That might fit. Take this thing off. Take this thing off and swap it.
There's a pair of jocks there for you, Pete.
Oh.
Yeah.
Calvin Klein, good expensive ones.
Here, mate. You reckon? I'll leave this thing up behind. And it's Red Cat Adventures. That'd be alright.
Flash one.
You can put
Yeah.
the tuna ball here.
That's right.
Good spot for the tuna ball, mate.
Clean the toilet, put your sticker on it, and leave the tuna ball here.
That's the game.
That's our mark we'll leave behind.
Yeah.
And this is the bush dummy. Absolute magic spot. We're going to leave it here. We'll come back here tonight. Might show you some of that if it's not too dark, that is. Check this out. Couple of yachties, little muffy. It's for later. Yeah, having a couple of drinks here later on tonight.
Just like me, right?
Never heard of that, yeah. Where's the other boys?
Where to go, what to do,
Yeah, neither do I really.
Sound around the backside and have a look around.
There's definitely fish there, but depends what it's like once you get out behind this island.
Our little contribution to Percy's Yacht Club. So if you come to Percy's Island, off Stanage Bay, so that's our contribution to the Percy Island Yacht Club. If you come here and spot it, drop us a message. We found that floating. We thought it was pretty heavy, so if you're in a smaller boat, it'd probably punch a hole. I reckon you're doing 20-30 knots. So we're going to belt home now. We're going to race the tide. A little bit of change of plans. Was it worth the stay?
A bit tired. I didn't sleep very well on that beach. No, my people have been coming here for 60,000 years and no one didn't sleep well at all. Used to be a lot harder in order to come out here for the weekend.
Bye-bye. That looks good. It's not a bad temperature, eh? I want a quick swim myself.
Yeah, good idea.
Check this out. It's good, eh? Fresh. So we've decided to bell home, but now we're questioning whether we should or not. I'll have a beer if you have enough of them kind of mid-treats of yours.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Cheers, mate.
Here's your fucking health. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. It's been good to have you along for the trip. Yeah.
So that's the next mission.
Yeah. Get out for a fish tomorrow. Slay another couple of reds.
On the beach.
Caught all our crab bait that we need now, so we can go hard on the crabs next few days.
They're chasing that 3 kilo muddy.
Well, this is the place to get them.
There's all bait jumping out here.
Yeah.
The motors must have scared them, unless something was hunting them.
Probably sharks circling them up. Is that why you got me to further us down?
Tigers, yeah, coming in behind you too.
Crocodiles.
Yeah, I've seen a croc on the drone too. That's day 2 done. So we changed our mind. We were going to stay at Percy's, but weren't getting the variety of fish. I've never seen so many sweetly in my life, and 1 coral trout for the whole day. So we pulled the pin. Yeah, other species, but we didn't keep any of it. Big cod, a few other bits and pieces, but certainly good quality sweet lip. But tomorrow we're going to hit another spot we know close in here. Won't spend the whole day on the water, I don't think, because it's blowing up. But we got crab and all sorts coming up shortly, so stick around.
You reckon he'd make that puckening straight, eh?
Two bins of grey stuff. then we can start some crabbing tomorrow because the change coming through and it's blowing up. But we should get to about midday today. Just heading in close, so stick around. So we've worked out we need about 2 metres of tide on this ramp for us to put in safely without damage. Big tides up here. You reaching for a berserker.
My hook's deeper, so that's mine.
So these two guys caught the same fish at the same time. Have a go at this.
Never seen that before.
I've never seen that either, man.
Lucky it's not legal, otherwise it'd be a big fight over who owns it. It's legal. There you go, Pete. Hold him up.
Redfish. No, I hooked him first. Mine's right down his throat.
Yeah, true that.
Yeah, but I put more into the winding it up.
250 grams. We want to get to the bottom quicker.
Nice.
Solid grassy.
Fish, eh? All we need is our 30 there. Oh, they certainly work.
I always try and get 2 different sides clean. Everyone likes fries with that. Yeah. So there's your little bit of fries.
Yes.
Gee, cooked fish. A little bit slower sort of morning. Just blowing first good every plate of 15 knots this morning, so we've got a couple in the box, but just trying to find new ground. Done a few drifts through there. That's the hardest thing, spend the time finding new ground when you're trying to get fish, and we only got to about midday when that change comes through. But there's an island over here, we can probably tuck in behind anyway, so out there. Did pull up. Yeah, pull up.
There we go. See you later, mate. Have a good time.
There's a big grassy. Go on, say it like you mean it. He doesn't want it.
Eddie, is it okay if I borrow one of your berserkers?
You may.
Thank you. What colour works best?
Orange.
Orange.
Red.
First drop on the berserker, hey? This thing work after all.
Berserker done respect by 3. Have a look.
Oh, that there. That's unreal. That's incredible.
Incredible. Yeah. Amazing. This one's going back.
And I got one on here.
Unbelievable. The white 200 grammer.
3 hooks, 3 fish, berserker, unreal. Good quality though, eh?
That must have been a trout, a good shark all out.
So we're down to the last few berserker jigs. Aaron's got 100 gram, I've got 100 gram. In 20 metres of water, I'm finding they're the best weight for this. So make sure you get a variety of weights. Got a couple of 250s left, but I think it's too heavy for this area. And have a go at this. Billy, what's your language, mate?
We don't stand for that here.
Oh, sit down there now.
Bloopers reel. Gonna give these a crack. And just an 8 ball. What's it called?
This is the dog hole. The dog hole, hard at work. Or hardly working. Talk us through it. What is it? Dog hole. It's a. You're saying it's.
And these on the new class of rigs too.
And there it is. It's
A dirty cod.
big cod. Big gold spot.
Yeah, well. Girl. Big gold spot.
Nice fish. Lift him up.
All right.
Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. See you later. See you, mate.
To get the good old spot box. Well, that's it from us after that on the water. We're going to belt them home now. Get some pots ready for tomorrow. Going to put some pots out. Try to get into some of these 3 kilo crab. Yeah, that should be awesome. I think it's something there and what we're going to have for dinner. Make sure you stick around for little crabs. Pretty keen for some crabbing. What are we rigging up pots this afternoon? Huh? What about one time?
I've been thinking maybe I've been going to look at that rum bottle, eh? Check out, see if he's still got something in him.
Body's pretty sore after 3 days on the water in 15 knot winds.
We get some fish, got some quality fish.
Coast Guard Thirsty Sound, Coast Guard Thirsty Sound. This is Muff Diver on 8-1.
Yeah, Muff Diver, go ahead. Coast Guard Percy Sound.
Thirsty Sound, can you take us off your log, please? We're safely back in the creek at the ramp. Thank you very much for your coverage.
Well, good. Thanks for your call. I hope you had a good time out there. I'll listen out for you next time.
Hey, sometimes it's good to give a bit of that tough love, you know. You see, we got up him yesterday about, you know, backing down on the fucking angle. To give that tough love.
This is a bloopers reel.
Yeah.
It's like a fucking Daytime TV show. And now, look at that. You gonna have a crack?
Yeah.
We'll make it this one for you, or
Good.
yeah, it is good. There's more of that. Yeah. Could have had probably without it. You know, a bit. You alright?
Yeah, that's good.
It is good.
Got some more of that. Yeah.
Just do the whole fillet like that.
I lifted up for the I didn't want to put my hand in its gill rake because I was like, I'll never get that back.
Yeah.
Good trout in there.
It's going to be grassy stuff.
That was like ours, man. Nice.
Right, I reckon that's one box, mate.
Put like 9 ribs in that one day, and then we put another 5.
Yeah, you got it well with that.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
That was my first keeper red.
Yeah.
Oh, the cherry. Never forget it. Get work cut out for you. That's a big fish.
A lot of meat.
It is, eh?
Hey, Kimbo, you want the pot? Say how much meat?
There you go, Rob.
It's hot enough. It just swung us around. Grimes have swung like I was thinking.
Now, Jansen,
There's one pose,
You're actually
and then
hugging
then there's the second
You're actually
pose.
hugging the fish.
now this time, Jansen, turn around and look that way, and then look back at the camera like you've been caught doing something naughty.
Yeah, work it, work it.
The Magnum. Blue steel?
This awesome. Are you gonna keep
STANAGE flag.
He's a good knife sharp.
Yeah. Takes more than that.
activate those?
Do you want these wings?
Yeah, might as well.
Good on the barbie, eh?
I don't usually take them, but
It's because he doesn't usually catch them.
yeah. There is that. Yeah.
That's a better one. My joy from there.
Yeah.
What a chunk of meat, eh?
That's worth it.
Sharp, bro. You can see through that.
Yeah.
It's a big fish. That is dead set of big fish, man, eh? Yeah. That's a huge slab of meat. Have a go at this. These guys are keeping the gallbladder and swim bladder.
Yeah.
Do you want to take?
Puts the lotion on its skin.
This is live now.
Hello, Mum! Mum!
It's all digested.
That's a rim, man.
It's gonna squirt.
Oh.
What's that?
What is it?
Another stomach. It's a
Inception stomach.
mostly there's crab there.
Yeah.
Mick, you hit jackpot.
It's mostly digested fish.
And porridge.
Porridge. Hey, it's delicious.
You know how you make porridge.
How do you prepare that, Bert?
Don't ask me. Ask my parents.
Is it? Yeah, your parents do eat the stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chinese.
It's just
They shoot.
meant to be good for you, healthy for you.
What makes it big,
Yeah.
Have you personally eaten it?
I have eaten tailor stomach, and it's just like calamari. It's just Firm, yeah, firm.
Yeah.
Bit of chew to it.
Yeah.
They take a bit of washing though, yeah? They do. That's a liver.
That's a huge liver.
Yeah, that's a big liver.
The air
Air bladder,
bladder and
stomach, liver. I don't know if they're going to eat the liver, but looks pretty healthy.
Yeah.
they'll fucking eat that liver.
The liver does, yeah. What's the result?
Billy.
So he's been fishing
one
out there
time.
for 60,000 years.
Both you had
Both of us into it. And
Were you on the opposite side
Yeah.
of the boat?
tangled with
Because that would be
no,
great.
both of them.
Yeah. It comes up under the boat.
I've never seen that ever, man.
You reckon you just grab one and grab the other?
Yes,
On the
yeah.
fly?
Yeah.
He's taken Pete's bait first because he was down the throat.
So it's
And then he
big
swam
fish.
along and he's got mine.
Wow.
And we're both wired up. Yeah, this is a good fish, Pete, because
We
he
thought it
hooked
was
it
a
first.
tangle, but no.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
In the mouth, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's,
Yeah.
there's one. That's
trout.
it. So many.
Yeah, three.
Oh, yeah.
3 on 1 jig.
Berserker jig.
Berserker.
3 fish, 2 reds and a
Shit
fucking.
me not.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
I've never seen it. I've got 2.
Oh, they're undersized.
He's done 3.
Have you done 3?
On
3
one
fish
rig.
on one
Yeah.
channel.
I've got a photo here somewhere.
Oh, was it on video?
Not on video.
No, I don't want to see it.
Yeah, it's
now.
gotta be
I
on
don't
video.
think it was real. Could be Photoshop.
I'll show you. And you tell me if it's photo.
Oh, you don't need to show us. We know it's Photoshop.
You're not showing your face now. Is that actually you, man, or something off the internet?
No, I got it off the net, yeah. It's one of those photo bucket things.
I don't have wasabi.
Oh, that's nice.
I bought in bigger quantities.
What sort of preparation have we got going on here?
Preparation. We've bled the fish and then we filleted it and sliced it up. So, you know, fresh caught fish for sashimi. See if you guys like it. You reckon, Aaron?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. We've only taken the best cuts. Like there's a lot of wastage.
Yeah.
All the bloody bits.
So where's that cut come from?
Shoulder.
Yeah, the shoulder. Yeah.
And
All
it's
the
about the
blood
only-
lines and everything, like cut it all out.
It's about the only place you can eat it on that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's mac tuna, yeah.
Because all the
That's
like,
mac tuna?
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
kidding. You don't even use them for bait.
Yeah, well, there you go, mate.
Not anymore.
All the like really deep red stuff, like
Bonito
black, is delicious. You can get it.
That-
I've never used soy sauce. Is slightly sweeter, like it's a sushi soy sauce, and then we should have wasabi, but we don't. So it's some chili sauce. Yeah, some Korean chili sauce. Tastes pretty good. Yeah. It's nice with a little bit of heat in it. Yeah.
It's the first time I've ever eaten bait with some awesome sauce.
And that's even without chili sauce and wasabi. Yeah.
12 hours from busy to here.
If you drove them, it's
Straight?
straight.
If you did it in the car without anything else, it'd be 9 hours and 15 minutes.
You had to drive.
Tune in next time for our crabbing run. We finally get to soak some pots, and these boys cook up the best Singapore mud crab you've ever had. If you liked, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you on the next one.